This short video will explain how to install the iCandy Reaper theme. This theme is completely free and available to anyone who uses Reaper. Step 1. Download the latest version of Reaper from reaper.fm. Step 2. Download the latest version of iCandy from larrysire.com/iCandy. Step 3. Unzip the downloaded file and follow the instructions in the install guide. Step 4. Install all of the included fonts to your computer. Step 5. Copy the iCandy Reaper theme to your Reaper Color Themes folder. To find your Reaper Color Themes folder, run Reaper and under the Options menu, click on the Show Reaper Resource Path menu item. Once there, click on the Color Themes folder. Paste the iCandy Reaper theme into that folder. Step 6. Run Reaper. And under the Options menu select the Themes menu item. Then select the iCandy item from the drop-down menu. You may customize the iCandy theme using Reaper's built-in theme adjuster. To customize the iCandy theme, select the Options menu Themes item. Then select the Theme Adjuster item. Adjust the transport, larger or smaller using the slider. Adjust the status display, wider or thinner using the slider. Adjust the track name font size, larger or smaller using the slider. Adjust the mixer fader height, taller or shorter. At very small settings it automatically changes to be a knob control. Adjust the master mixer fader height, taller or shorter. At very short settings it also automatically changes to be a knob control. At even shorter settings, meter-only mode is engaged. Adjust the effects area height, taller or shorter. You can even make it disappear if you like. Thank you for downloading the iCandy Reaper theme. If you enjoy using the iCandy Reaper theme, please consider donating to continue its development. Donations may be sent to PayPal@larrysire.com. Other payment methods are listed in the description of this video.